So I am being with Spare. I will tag his
Instagram.
below. And I am off to Pep to collect my mystery DIY box. DIY Yolande. My name is Yolande. I do DIYs here on YouTube and on Instagram at Yolande_Ntele. Okay, let's open the package he sent me. Okay, these are a gift.
The marble contact papers are not part of this DIY collab. They were a gift, as I said, but everything else that I'm taking out now needs to be used for this DIY collab. So let's see what's inside.
The only hint Spare gave me was it will be for decor. So I need to make a decor DIY with these. It's exciting, but it's nerve-wracking. I'm already thinking of a couple of things. We crazy DIYers decided that actually let's collab remotely since he's in Cape Town and I'm in Durban. And I sent him a box of items that are in his video down below.
And he did the same.
The rule is to use every item that the other person has sent to the other. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
These are all the items that he has sent. I will need a board, glue gun and glue sticks, measuring tape maybe, but definitely ruler, and a pencil and no more nails glue. From the top corner, I'm marking 5 minutes on either side. Did I just say 5 minutes? I meant 5 centimeters. Lockdown, ne? Doing this so that the letter T and the letter Y can be straightly aligned to each other. Love the fact that he got the letter T for my husband's name, which is Siphelele, and the letter Y for my name, which is Yolande. Thanks, Pay. Now you see I'm placing the letters in position. I will now trace because of the glossy finish that the letters have. I am just now sanding the back of the letters so that I can put the no more nails glue and it has a nice grip onto the board. Now I'm grabbing these popsicle sticks to frame out 2 mini houses. These will be my frames for my pictures that I'm obviously going to get cut out and printed out once the lockdown is finished. I've checked everything is straight, everything is aligned. Now I am gluing these down. Now I'm just neatening out any excess glue. Now I am gluing down the twine to read out home. To give this countertop piece some little personality, some vavavoom, I'm creating a white frame now with the twine. Now I'm adding the mini pegs and the diamantes, and we will reveal. Great thumbs up if you enjoyed this video to see what I sent to Spare and what he created with the items sent to him. Click the very first link in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this collab. See you next time. Peace.